tomorrow. I want to see what's happening. There's something there in the way there.
People no mind me too look up pepper like them. I don't know see fireworks, man. I forgot to turn off my light. Wait. Oh. So when you can see fireworks. People are festive in the night, yeah. Ambulance. The fireworks done? People they don't want to see. They don't want to see at all. Because I will eat, me not go on like a while and then stop.
What is it? What is it? Good. What is your name? Oh, them break a wine glass?
No, I don't even know how to say.
Somebody just break the glass, eh? What's that?
It's okay, baby. I'm shouting, but nothing's wrong. It's okay, my love.
That's a thing, though.
Maybe where that come from? Break your wine glass. Oh, man, that bakes.
She's cool. Alexa, pause. So we're doing potato salad. So I use 1 sweet potato. Then I'm going to use about 2 of these for the salad. Have some mutton right here, salt out. Then we're gonna do some, what do you call it, you know? Rice and peas, and then just for the side, like a fried chicken. Yeah. So just go in it now and just stuff it up a bit. Smoke me start, man, don't worry. Alexa, play. All I'm saying. Anyway, I go fry the chicken now. Now I'm gonna use the flour seasoned and throw a bit of baking powder in it, but I use the self-raising flour, so I don't need the baking powder. I'm not sure if it's the best idea, but that's what I'm gonna do. I was thinking of using a frying pan, but I'm not gonna bother with that. I'm gonna use this smaller pot because it takes less oil for deep fry, so we still get the deep fry impression using less oil instead of wasting the oil in this hell of a pot. You understand? Forget what I say, I understand what I say. Yeah. Yeah, what I'm gonna do still, I'm gonna fry chicken now, because the mutton is ready for now. And then make it cool, and then if you're not tired and feel the vibe, you just add some barbecue upon it and put it in the oven. I understand. So we're coming. Soon put on the rice. Ready for that tape. Soon touch that. But we are going. Yeah. Sorry, I never get to cut the mutton just a bit smaller. They are not too big, but after I put them in, I realize I have some pieces of my sorry, get a little smaller, but it's not bad though. Now let's go down my guys. people, there's something that everybody do it different, I understand, so people add all different kind of something to it, and people use them egg and something and season the chicken. Now it's my egg, is it? Yes. Hello. Hi. How are you? Hey, you might talk to myself and I think I'm mad. Oh. Hmm? You want to should have come. Uncle. Good day, you're not going. I know you come take close to Uncle. Sometimes I'm not always I can't serve for you again. Oh.
Mommy.
That's alright. Alright, hold on. What, look at hold on.
What does covering it do?
Well, everybody see it different, but for me, I think you kind of make the chicken and steam, and that's especially on the inside. Like you kind of chop the meat in the pot, so it can go in and belly. You see? Yeah, I'm not sure if you do that, but I kind of like doing it. When it's almost finished now, I take off the cover. I normally come out with kind of want to meat raw. Not to say it can't be done another way, but I tested and tried this method and it actually worked. See that? That's what. Alright, so carrot my last on this, so I'm gonna cut up this. Still a piece of sweet pepper. Irish. Put in the what call it something now? The mutton. Curry down. People you are going to do is try chicken and one. I'm gonna turn off the Irish and let it blow. I don't want to cook them too much. Because I kind of stuff I'm going to father, I really like it. I can, but I like it, you understand? She do it better than me, so make sure you do the Irish something. Yeah. season up the pot, put in 2 peg of garlic. Scallion, these are scallion sink ones, you don't see it on top. I'm trying to make a time now. Peas already in it. And as you see, the coconut milk is there. So, next thing we're going to do is just throw in the rice. And then make it all the thing. Come on. Smell nice and rich. I don't season up this yet, so I'm going to make it go and boil down and thingy. Then we go line up. Yeah. I can start out this for the mutton. Chicken and finish. So, some down there, so some look on top. Soon start out those. I'm going to boil barbecue sauce though. Yeah. Get in there. Alexa, pause. Alright, so just throw in the vegetables, so I'm just warm a bit of water to add to this, so to cover the meat. We'll do something a bit different, yeah. Rice inside already, so this will take a little time to do the thing. Soon cover him up and start him out. As for this now, just gonna add a little of the powder part of this, yeah, to this, to kind of bring up the flavor. So you see it? Guys, are your party, have to know how to play with it and be creative and make it work. You understand? Yeah. Still how that work out later on. Alright guys, so I'm almost there. I'm actually get tired, so I decided that hey, I'm actually not gonna bother do the barbie fry. So being that it's curry, I think it might work better with the fried chicken instead of barbie fried chicken, right? So leave the chicken as is. Good, soon done. Almost there. There's a simmer down. Now add no more water to it. The rice, I think I can turn it off now, so I'm gonna do that just about now. The New Year's dinner. Yeah, that's it, right? In the kitchen is all of vibes, but on a New Year's spot. That's it, guys. Remember to like the video. Yeah. Big up for yourself.